Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Warm welcome to today's online session. Today's our topic factors and multiples. Chapter number 4, factors and multiples. First, let us understand what we mean by the factor of a number. Let's take the number 12. Let's find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as their products. 1 into 12 are 12. 2 into 6 are 12. 3 into 4 are 12. So, we get 3 pairs of numbers that give us the product 12. No other pair of numbers when multiplied will give the product 12. Isn't it? Yes. Now, let us take each pair of number separately and understand what it means. Let us take the first pair, 1 into 12. Here, when we divide 12 by 1, we get the quotient as 12. And when we divide 12 by 12, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Therefore, it means that 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Is it clear? Next, second pair. 2 into 6 are 12. Here, when we divide by 2, we get the quotient as 6. If we divide by 12 by 6, we get the quotient as 2. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Therefore, it means that 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Okay. Next pair, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Here, if we divide 12 by 3, get 4 as a quotient. And if we divide 12 by 4, we get the quotient as 3. Here also, we get the remainder as 0 in both the divisions. Therefore, it means that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. Thus, we now understand that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Hence, we see that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. We can define factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. We can say that factors are numbers you can multiply together to given number. The definition of factor is factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. Factor of a number as a number which exactly divides the given number. Now, let us discuss certain points which we need to understand related to a factor with the help of some examples. First point, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Look at the examples. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Thus, 1 multiplied by any number gives the number itself as the product. And any number divided by 1 also gives the number itself as the quotient. Once more, 1 multiplied by any number gives the number itself. And any number divided by 1 also gives the number itself. We conclude that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is 1 is a factor of every number. Is it clear? Then next point. Point number 2. Every number is a factor of itself. Number 2. Every number is a factor of itself. Therefore, any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself as the product. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. The same way, any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. 8 divided by 8, quotient is 1. So, every number is a factor of itself. Point number 2, every number is a factor of itself. Next point, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the given number. Look at the factors of 12 which we found out earlier. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Note that the factors 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are less than 12 and the last factor 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, it shows that the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Number 4. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. Let's look at the factors of 7. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. No other pair of numbers when multiplied together will give the product 7. That is, the number 7 has at least 2 factors, 1 and 7. Hence, we can say that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, factors of 7, 1 and 7. Do remember this point properly. They will help you to find the factors. Now, let's find the factors of one more number. Let's take the number 30. The pairs of numbers which give the product 30 are 1 into 30s are 30, 2 into 15s are 30, 3 into 10s are 30, 5 into 6 are 30. Thus, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now, look at these factors and remember these points. A factor of a number exactly divides that number. 1 is factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the given number. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Wasn't it easy to learn about factors? Okay, just recap the factors. What do we mean by factor? A factor of a number divides that number exactly. A factor of a number divides that number exactly. Let us look one more example. Find the factors of 58. The first pair is 1 into 58. Here, when we divided by 58 by 1, we get the quotient as 58. And when we divide 58 by 58, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Therefore, it means that 58 is divisible by 1 and 58. The second pair of numbers which gives the product 58 is 2 into 29. The second pair of numbers which gives the product 58 is 2 into 29 is equal to 58. Thus the factors of 58 are 1, 2, 29 and 58. Is it clear? Let us solve one more example. Find the factors of 81. The pairs of numbers which give the product 81. 1 into 81 is 81. 3 into 27, 81. 9 into 9, 81. Thus the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. As each of these number divides 81 exactly. Now let us look at multiples. The second topic of our chapter, multiples. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Let's find the multiples of 12. 12 into 0 is equal to 0. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 into 12 are 24. 12 into 3 are 36. 12 into 4 are 48. 12 into 5 are 60. 12 into 6 are 72. 12 into 7 are 84. 12 into 8 are 96. 12 into 9 are 108. 12 into 10 are 120 and so on. As the products shown here, the products obtained are nothing else but the multiples of 12. Let's look another example. Find the multiples of 19. When we multiply 19, 19 into 0 is 0. 19 into 1s are 90. 19 into 2s are 38. 19 into 3s are 57. 19 into 4s are 76. 19 into 5s are 95. 19 into 6 are 114. 19 into 7s are 133. 19 into 8s are 152. 19 into 9s are 171. 19 into 10s are 190. Do you understand what multiple is? Yes. Therefore, we define multiple. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Let us see now how to find multiples of a given number. Let us find the multiples of 5. From the definition, we can multiply the given number 5 with any number and get its multiple. I am sure you must have understood how to find factors and multiples of a given number. Remember the following points while finding the multiples of number. We get a series of multiples of multiplying the given number by other number. The given number and other number are the factors of the product we call a multiple. 0 is a multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. Is it clear? Please open your textbook page number 103, chapter number 4, factors and multiples. Write today's date here. Fill in the blanks. 2 even numbers. Even number means a whole number that is exactly divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Write 2 even number. 2 and 4. Right answer 2 and 4. Question number B. 2 odd numbers. Odd numbers means a whole number that is not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Write 2 odd number 3 and 5. Question number C. 2 multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10 are the example of multiples of 2. Write 4 and 6. 2 factors of 6. We learned factors in detail. 1 into 6 are 6. 2 into 3 are 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Next question. 2 numbers divisible by 3. It is sure 1 and 3. Last question. 2 numbers divisible by 10. 2 and 5. Today's math session ends here. Your homework is find the factors of 64, 100, 150, 500 and 1000. Find the factors of these number and send to school WhatsApp. And also read your textbook. Read and understand text. And also read and understand the textbook page number 103 and 104. This is all for today. Thank you.